Sabi ng mga balahibo. Pasok mga basir! Mga may galit sa akin dito, hindi ako ang terorista, mabait ako. Sana mga negosyante, hindi ako terorista. Wala akong bomba, wala akong baril, wala akong basuka. Wow! Pero mo to. Ito pa dito. Ayan na! Ito na! Ito na! Start na po ng ating show! Welcome to Abdul Sakalin Show here in the Nikki Live Philippines! Welcome guys! And please do share my stream together with your friends in barangay! Just like that! Para ma-information na ng promotion ng aking negosyon. Ang aking negosyo, no? Ang aking negosyo. Ipapromote ko mamaya ang negosyo ko para, someone will borrow money to me and go in the lowest interest for only 0.5%. Come on! What are you waiting for? No, you can find the lowest interest to others. That only from me, 0.5%. Yeah. Anyway, guys, if you want to know more about Abdul Sakalin, my name is Abdul Sakalin. I'm 38 years old from the Philippines. Citizenship from British. Living here in the Philippines. I had 5 branches of money exchange here. I have 5 branches all around the world, nationwide in the Philippines. Come on! Yeah. If you need money, just message me. If you don't know me, just follow me. Okay? If you need the money, just follow me. Message me. I will give you 0.5%. Alright? Okay. So I'm going to flex my attire. I'm going to flex my attire now. As you can see on the face. I'm using this turban. This is a turban. And now, as you can see in my eyebrow, this is not big. And this remote jacket is real. Also real. I can touch this just like that. I can touch this right. This touch it like this. As you can see, it's real. It's authentic. And my nose, this is real. And I'm going to fix my polo. This is my favorite polo. Ever since. Every time I go to my client's house, I always wear this for almost 1 month. Before I watch this, I wear this for almost 1 month. I never change this attire. Every day I wear this. For almost 1 year. 1 month and 1 month. 1 month. Bagang-bago tingnan, really. Kasi, it's new. Come on. And this is my lucky charm. My lucky charm. This is for Leo. I'm a Leo. And this watch is very exclusive. I brought this in Thailand. Together with my helicopter. And this turban, if I never change my attire, this almost 1 year no wash. This is for 1 year no wash. Smells like onions. Yeah, it's very slim. Smells like onions. Come on. And my short, I don't want to stand. Ayoko umakyat. Ayoko tumayo kasi alam niyo na naka-ono. Naka-short ko lang ako. Okay na yan. Kasi. Surrender. Yun. Surrender lang. Ay, mga basher ko dito, no? Mga basher ko. Hindi ako terorista. Negosyante ako. Nakatira doon dito sa Pilipinas. And ulitin ko lang, meron akong 5 branches of money exchange here. Kaya what are you waiting for? If you need money, Just message me. If you don't know me, follow me. Yeah! That's right. Okay. Just like that. Pero siyempre, since nandito kayo lahat, Madam! Ikay malayo ko. Ang dami na dito, no? Maraming kayo rin matutunan sa akin. Sa mga kultura ng mga Bombay. Maraming matutunan. Ito ang unang-unang tuturo ko sa inyo. Sa Tagalog. Tagalog pronunciation. Bombay can also understand what you're saying in Tagalog word. But we are still Bombay. Yeah, but it's, and then you can also speak Tagalog. You can speak Tagalog. For this is for example. Alam. Hindi ako mapakali. Dami na. Okay. Anyway, for example, this Tagalog word. As you can see on my background, it's very shining, shimmering, suspended. But in Tagalog, it's kainang. The kainang. It's very shiny. It's very shiny. Kumakainang. You are saying in Tagalog, the pronunciation in Tagalog is kinang. But for me, it's kainang. It means very shiny. Oh, very shiny. Kainang. Other word. Ayo, baka may mga gusto ko yung malaman. May malaman ko yung Tagalog. I'm going to pronounce it in, the other way. For example, another word. Naghahaynayang, it means you lose sometimes. You lose something bad or like that. You lost your mind. I'm saying, nanghahaynayang, you felt something wrong. Nanghihinayang. In Tagalog, when you say nanghihinayang, but for me, you can say it, nanghahaynayang. Nanghahaynayang. Aman! Ito, uso-uso to. Uso-uso to, marami to ganito dito sa Pilipinas. Marites. The Marites. You know the Marites? Somebody who's talking outside in your house. Someone who's talking about your family. And sometimes, you're talking about your life. The Marites. When you say the Marites, yeah. It's in the Filipino, Marites. But for me, it's Marites. Very much many people Marites. They are talking about me. Always. For those people who judge me, I'm a terrorist. That's not talk. Many people talk about me outside of my house. They call me terrorist. I'm not a terrorist. I'm a negotiante. Anyway, let's talk about my business. Aside from my money exchange, I also sell a gold. I also sell the gold. Not only 24 carats, but 18 carats can be. I have a stock here, many of them. I have many stock in Thailand. Very much. So if you need my products like that, if you need 18 karat gold, just message me. Follow me if you don't know me. Come on. And aside from the gold, also credit business. You can borrow money. I only give you 0.5%. Now you can find any that lowers interest to others. Only for me. Give you 0.5%. No worries. No. I'll give you much. No? Maybe we can be a good friend and give you 0.4. I only accept for online payment. Just like a GCash, just like that. GCash, Paymaya, anything. If you are from international, you can also borrow money from me. If you can have, I will convert that into $. If you need a $1, yeah, I'll convert it into $. Yeah. I'll give it to you $1. Just 4.5%. Very nice. Okay. Who do you want me to sing? Who do you want me to sing? I have my two songs. Naka-prepare ako ng song, dalawa. Pero kayo kung may mga, papakanta kayo sa akin. It's your chance! It's your chance to hit another song from me! You know, my special song, my special dinner song is rap. I really like rap song. If you want to hear that rap song, I will sing to you. Everybody else. Yo.
Sinking.
Yeah. Wait. Ang dead yung mouse ko. Okay. This song is just for you, mama! Yeah! Two burger breakfast go running outside, yeah! Two burger breakfast go running outside, yeah! Yeah, come on! Ooh, guess who's back? Again, yeah! Share this back! Turn up, friend, yeah! Guess who's back? No one else! Abdul Sakalin in the house, yeah! Welcome here, come on! Woo! Yeah, come on! Yeah. Come on! I'm creating the monster, because nobody wants to see a morsel no more, but they want to see the young chop and liver. But if you want to show them, this is what I give you, and give it a bit mix with a summer of it. Then we could just start na yung heart because that is shock, that is good shock at the hospital. But the doctor when I'm not cooperating, when I'm rocking the table and he's operating, and that is my God! That is my name, Virgin Bar, come on! Operating. I know that you got a job misbehaving, but your husband has problem complicated here. CC1, let me be. All in it be so let me see. So don't try to shut me down on MTV. But it be so empty without me. So come on and dip and burn on your lips. Come on your lips! And you got another lips! And you get ready. Because it's good na ba ito heavy? I just set up on a mellow soup. Give me! Now this is not a job to me. So everybody, just follow me. Just little controversy. If you need my money, just message me. So this looks like my job for me. So everybody, just follow me. Just little controversy. If you need my money, just message me. So little young kids, feeling rebellious. Embarrassing, listen to Elvis now. And start feeling like a personal surplus. I'll tell someone, and I mention it to the ditch. I mention an ambition of Australia. Could start a revolution while you're doing a rage. A rebel of just a little rebellion burst. In the fact that I got everyone using my ass here. And a disaster. For you to see the much of my ass, yeah. Now you ask me, I was like, no, 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 no. And then and then under your skin, I can consider this interpretation back for the winter, yeah. I'm not interesting, the best thing here wrestling. I'm testing, and the kids are interesting. Testing attention, please, yeah. Pay attention soon, as a monumental thing, yeah. There's attention, what to do, sentence three. I know what's again. What's that for me? Oh, this looks like a job for me. So everybody, just follow me. Doesn't mean you do controversy. If you need my money, just message me. So this looks like a job for me. So everybody, just follow me. Doesn't mean you do controversy. If you need my money, just message me. At the same basket, I go and do it for it. And everybody else talking this shit, and then that shit. And you can talk it, and you can get to the market. Worse than the name, see it. It's gonna fight that. Mommy, you can get to stop my coffee. The 36-year-old bad-headed bug. Mommy, you don't know me. You're too old to go. And everybody listen to echo, yeah. Now let's go give it a listen. I'll be there with a whole list of full of musings of Evan Top, suspendful with a pencil. Ever since friends turned into self-interesting boy. And sometimes very disgusting. Everybody only wants to discuss me. So this must mean I'm disgusting. So it is just me, I'm just obscene. I'm not the first king of controversy. I'm the worst thing since Elvis Presley. The day of that music is selfishly. I used to get myself wealthy. There's a concept that works. 20 millions of the word proper words. But no matter how many fish in the sea, that will be empty without me. Now this looks like a job for me. So everybody, just follow me. Does it mean you do controversy? If you need my money, just message me. If this looks like a joke for me. So everybody, just follow me. Does it mean you do controversy? If you need my money, just message me. La 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 la. No 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 yeah. No 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 no. No 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 no. Oh. Long, yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo. Come on. That is my number one favorite song. Because Eminem is my idol. Yeah. Eminem is my idol ever since. And I have my preferred song for you. This is a Tagalog song. This is how I pronounce it upon Tagalog. Tagalog word. Okay. I always sing this song. Because it's related to my business. This song, very, very much, what do you call this? Very emotional song. Ba't ang panye kumusapin? Oh, no, mali. The lyrics is wrong. Once again. Woo! One minute. Okay. Bakit di mo patatahanin ang isang bunsong iyakin? Ngunit bakit ngayon hindi mo man na mapansin? Pinasaking ayla-ayla at palagi kahit ang kasama. Ngunit bakit ngayon ay may Mahal ka ng iba, nasaan na ang pangako mo? Noong sinusuyo ako, anong kindness, anong lagkit, tumatalsik sa laway mo. Ngunit bakit naglaho ba sa akin ang damdamin mo? Mananatili kang mahal. Saan? Sa Gcash ko. Halos tayo ko na kaya na zero balance ang account ko. Ang pagmemehel mo na ba na kay Abdul na ba? Patuloy na ako'y aasa kahit nasa ila. Ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y ay hindi mag-ay-ay-ba. Nasaan na ang pangako mo? Noon sinusuyo ako. Anong tamis, anong lambit, tumatalsik sa laway mo. Ngunit bakit nagbago pa sa akin ang damdamin ko? Mananatili kang mahal sa Gcash ko, pagkat ay ikaw ang tunay na mahal. Kaya't ay hindi magbebego kailan pa man. Kahit na nga ako masaktan, nasaan na ang pangako mo? Noong sinusuyo ako, anong tamis, anong lagkit, tumatalsik sa laway mo. Ngunit kahit nagbago pa sa akin ang damdamin mo, mananatili kang mahal sa puso ko. Ngunit kahit nagbago pa sa akin ang damdamin mo, mananatili kang mahal. Saan? Sa Gcash ko. Ikaw ang mahal. Saan? Sa puso ko. Oh. Nakapagdang very content. Sector. Very nice, very nice. Oh yeah. I still have 8 minutes left. No. May 8 minutes left pa tayo. Siyempre, kami mga Bombay may istorya kami bawat kliyente. And I will tell you some story. One story. You know, I have so many clients here in the Philippines. I really love helping Filipino people, especially when it comes to financial problem. Especially in the financial, I always helping them. Abdul Sakalin, very easy to borrow money. So, you know, if you need my money now, yeah, just message me. I will give you 0.5. So, let us start to tell you some story of one of my clients. Actually, they are four different stories. And this is the very happy. Oh my goodness. One day, she borrowed money. She's good. Borrow money to me. Three times only. 3 times na lang na natitira niya. Ang nakakaya niyang bayaran sa akin, 3 months na lang. 3 months. Malapit na siyang matapos sa kanya. Ngayon, ayaw na magbayad sa akin. through online payment. Alam ko na nangyayari. Ngayon, pinuntahan ko sa bahay nila. Punta ko bahay nila. Pagdating ko dun, alam ko nandun na siya. Ay, alam niyang nandun ako. Oo. Alam niya nandun ako. Ang nangyari doon, tahimik ang bahay. Tahimik bahay. Tapos, biglang nag-open video key. Open video key. Lakas music eh. Silip ako doon sa may kusina. Sarado bintana. Silip ako sa ilalim gate. Nakita ko, may 10 pair. 10 pair ng tsinelas. May mga bata, may matatanda. Dami tao sa loob! Dami tao bahay, dami. Atok ako, doorbell. Ding dong, just like that. Ganon. Parang ganyan yung doorbell naman. Tapos, wala sagot. Mas lalong tinodo yung music. Aba, todo music, lakas volume. Kat sarado, rinig na rinig. Ngayon, abang ako, 30 minutes ako sa labas bahay niya. 30 minutes. May lumabas. Bata, yung anak niya. Kilala ko yung anak niya. Sabi ko, tawag ko. Tol, asan mami mo? Nasa loob po! Rinig ko nga! Sa ngayon, sa'yo kumakanta sa loob! Lakas na volume! Lakas boses! Boses ka talaga yun! Hindi ako nagkamali! Siya talaga yun! Di! Sabi ko sa bata, pasok ka sa loob. Tumawagin mo mami mo. Di inantay ko. Agal lumabas. 30 minutes ulit ako nag-antay. Antay ko yung bata. Lumabas ulit yung bata. Sabi ng bata sa akin, wala daw po si mami. Sabi niya sa akin, umalis. Yung bata! Ay nako! Wala siyang nagawa. Yung bata, loko, wala nagawa. Lumabas si mami. Kawawa yung bata. Sa harapan ko, binugbog yung bata. Binugbog niya yung bata. Sa harap ko. Ito talaga! Bakit mo sinabi na wala ako? Sinabi mo diba, nag-chat ako sa'yo na wala ako dito. Palabas siya. Bayan siya sa akin! Bayan! Tatakbuhan niya pa ako, no? Another 2. Still 3 minutes. Mabilis na lang. Siguro, just story lang. Another 2. Kuha siya sa akin, brand new aircon. For 12 months to pay. Door to door daw. Kuha, ganda usapan namin, ganda. Deal. First month, aba, tatloon pala ako, balak tapuan ako. Door to door ko. Wala tao. Bahay, wala tao. Tahimik. Tanong ako kapitbahay. Sabi, lumipat na daw ng bahay. Di ako niniwala. Antay ako talaga din antay. Mataga ako antay. Tago ako doon sa may iskinita. Hindi niya alam nandun ako. Abang ako, nakita ko siya, pasok siya sa bahay. Namalengke pala. Hindi lang sa palengke, nag-grocery. Ang laman ng refrigerator niya. Dami. Sabi ko sa kanya, wala ba ako dyan isang plastic bag ng grocery niya? Baka naman meron ako dyan. Kasi marami tayo usapan sa messenger. Bakit wala ka reply sa akin? Ikaw magka-messenger tayo. Friend kita sa Facebook. Nakita ka sa Facebook ko. Nag-post ka pa yan. Nag-beach-beach ka pa dyan. Oh, may naman. Ang dami mong ko sa Facebook. Nakasa beach ko. Nagbabakasyon kayo ng pamilya mo. Oh my goodness. Dadailan niya sa akin. Late daw yung ano niya. Oh my God. Thank you guys. Come on. Hey. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Gusto na nagtatapos ang mga